Hi everyone, welcome back to My Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show some easy steps on how to change Subway Surfers map. So without any further ado, let's get started. Make sure the game is updated to the latest version. The map change usually comes with a new updates. Subway Surfers automatically updates its map every few weeks as part of the World Tour. Each update brings a new city or theme. You can't manually choose a city or map. It's based on the current event. If you don't have the map while there is a world tour, then follow these steps. Enable internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. The new map won't load without an active connection. Check for game updates. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Then tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner. Now search for Subway Surfer. If there's an update available for Subway Surfers, tap on the update button to install it. The new map will come with it, and that's how you can change Subway Surfers map.